Smart contracts are self-executing programs stored on a blockchain that automatically carry out transactions when predefined conditions are met. In digital systems, agreements and transactions often require intermediaries to verify, approve, and enforce the terms between parties. These intermediaries may include banks, legal institutions, or service providers responsible for ensuring that agreements are fulfilled. In traditional financial and legal systems, contracts are typically written documents that depend on trust and enforcement by central authorities. If one party fails to meet the agreed terms, resolving the issue may require additional processes, such as legal action or third-party involvement. This structure can introduce delays, increase costs, and create reliance on centralized control. Blockchain technology introduces a different approach by allowing agreements to be executed through code rather than manual processes. Smart contracts are designed to operate automatically once specific conditions are satisfied. They are deployed on blockchain networks such as Ethereum, where they function as part of a decentralized system. Once a smart contract is created and deployed, its rules are stored on the blockchain and cannot be easily altered. This ensures that all participants interact with the same transparent and predefined logic. For example, imagine an agreement where a payment is released only after a certain condition has been fulfilled. A smart contract can be programmed so that once the condition is verified, the payment is automatically transferred to the intended recipient without requiring approval from a third party. This approach reduces the need for intermediaries and allows transactions to occur in a more efficient and automated manner. Smart contracts play a central role in many decentralized applications, enabling activities such as lending, borrowing, and token exchanges to function without traditional financial institutions. Developing an understanding of smart contracts strengthens one's ability to navigate blockchain-based systems and interact more confidently with decentralized technologies. Your reflection question for this session is simple. How do smart contracts improve the efficiency and reliability compared to traditional systems? Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share if this content helps you understand how smart contracts works. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investments carry significant risk, so always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions.